Hello, pre-calculus students, and we're going to do two problems from last night's homework that were tricky, 44 and 45. All right, so I got it all set up here. Here we go. I am going to now evaluate this function and plug in 2a inside for this x right there. So watch. I'm going to do j of 2a, and that's going to equal 1 minus 4, and here we go, the 2a. And the exponent 3 is outside of the parenthesis. Please do that. Whenever you substitute anything into an equation, just that thing should be inside parentheses. That is the rule of thumb that you have to know. Over here, I'm going to do 2a cubed. So it's 2a times 2a times 2a. That is 8a cubed, because a times a times a is a cubed. So this is going to be 1 minus 4 times 8a cubed. Now look at where the cube went. It is inside. It is officially attached to the a. The 2 has been cubed because it's now 8, and the a has been cubed because it's now a cubed. Next line, 1 minus 4 times this. This is going to be 32a cubed. Now, you're done. This is it. That's the final answer. Congratulations. But a lot of people will go an extra step, and it's incorrect, so do not do this. But they will say that this is 1 minus this and get negative 31a cubed. This is not right, okay? Because these are unlike terms. It would be like saying 3 plus 5x equals 8x, and that is, of course, not true. 3 plus 5x is 3 plus 5x. So don't combine like term or unlike terms. And let's look at the other one. And if you didn't understand that last one, go back and watch it again. That's the miracle of the internets. So we're going to plug in n minus 1 for both of these x's. We're going to do f of, let me switch a color here, n minus 1. And that's going to be 2 times n minus 1 squared minus n minus 1 plus 9. I'm here to tell you the thing that's going to miss this the most today is that minus sign right there. I'll show you why in a minute. We're going to do n minus 1 squared first. That's, of course, FOIL. N minus 1 times n minus 1. First, outside, inside. Last, so that's going to be n squared minus n times negative 1 is negative n. Here's another minus n, because negative 1 times n is negative n. Negative 1 times negative 1, it would be plus 1. So this becomes n squared minus 2n plus 1. That is a thing that you need to know how to do. So 2, and then I'm going to put this all in parentheses now. So right here, n squared minus 2n plus 1. I'll just recopy the rest. I don't want to do a bunch of stuff at once for a demo. I'm going to do it step by step. So I plug that back in. The next thing I'm going to do is distribute this 2 through here. So I'm going to go boom, boom, boom with this 2. And that's going to be 2n squared minus 4n plus 2. All right, now here it comes. This minus sign is going to have to be distributed through this parenthesis just like this 2 was, because this is actually negative 1. Now, I'm going to write it there, and then I'm going to get rid of it, just so that you can see that it's minus 1. There's a negative 1 that's going to be distributed through there, like that. But you don't have to write it and do that. It's just going to be minus n plus 1. That's going to turn that into a positive 1. And almost everybody misses that at first. It's one of the most missed things I see all the time. So now I got all my terms, and all I need to do now is combine like terms. I only have one square term. I have a couple different n terms. That's going to be minus 5n. And I have 2 plus 1 plus 9. Those are all positive, so it is plus 12. And that is my final answer. And so you would read this as f of n minus 1 equals that. Have a good one.